what's up, DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Ariens snowblower today. We're going to go outside, start it up, and start throwing some snow. I want to actually see if we can throw snow over our vehicle. Safely, obviously. Let's take a look. All right, YouTuber, snowblower is back in the garage. We had a lot of fun, as you can see. And one more thing, which is very important, I'm going to make a separate video on how to properly prep your snowblower for short-term storage. And what I will do is I will link that video down below in the comment section as well as the description section. Definitely check that out. It is very important to put your snowblower away properly to alleviate any maintenance malfunctions or issues the next time you pull the snowblower out and start it. So we'll see you at the next video.